We're looking at a series of Boston and Maine Railroad guidebooks that were issued towards the end of the 19th century and into the early part of the 20th. And we're going to offer them one at a time because each is a scarce variant with numerous additions and different maps inside. We see that this first one here is Fishing and Hunting, 1897, and there is a booklet with a series of black and white photographs of the area. There are multiple variant issues of each of these. This first one here, which I will now show, has two color lithographed maps within it. This first one is a fishing and hunting resorts of the region, focusing on Moosehead Lake and Rangeley. In fact, it's funny because we are just south of the White Mountains down here in New Hampshire, so this is all largely Maine, and this is the coast of New England. And so that's this first map here, printed by Rand Avery in Boston. And at the rear is this also large folding color lithographed railroad map, like so here. Very fresh, rarely unfolded since it was issued. Quite large, like so, overprinted in red to show the railroad lines across all of New England and up into Maine, like so. And where we were looking at earlier is, let's see, we're doing all these bearings here. It's up in this area right here, Moosehead Lake and Millinocket and Bangor. This is all sort of a resort area even to this day. Here are the White Mountains. Mount Washington is right there. Yes, indeed. We are right here in Dover. Boston's right here, about an hour away. Here are the insets, Mount Desert Island, White Mountain region, beautiful area. And this guidebook, this single one here, is available now online from me, Brian DeMando.